In this video, we are going to see how to work out this vector question. First question is, what is the vector for AB? Okay, first I will copy this picture. So AB is, we have to go A to B, but we have to use the vector. So we can't just go to A to B because there is nothing here. We don't know the value of here. So we have to go from A to O to B. So how we have to go? From O to A, then O to B. So for the first question, AB equal to OA plus OB. We know OA equal to A. This is A. We know OB equal to B. But because we are going opposite direction, did you notice here? This is, we are going opposite direction. So OA equal to minus A, OB equal to, we are going the same direction, so it is plus B. So we rearrange here B minus A. So you can write this. This is also a correct answer, but if you can write this way, it will be easy to understand. So AB equal to B minus A. Okay, we can use this AB wherever when we need. I'll show you how we can use this one. Okay, so first question done. The vector AB equal to B minus A. Now the next question is BM. Next question is BM. So to go to BM, we can go directly here. We can go directly here. And we know this is A to B. So we know this A to B is B minus A. Okay, and to go to BM, there are two ways. Step 1 or method 1 is from B to M directly we come, but you have to remember it is opposite direction. This is opposite direction. Because of opposite direction, this will change the sign. So if you want to BM, if you want to come directly B to M, so instead of, you need half of B minus half of AB. So we need half of AB. Half of AB is B minus A. But we can't use this directly because from B to M we are coming opposite direction. So that changes the sign. So when you write half of minus B plus A, the sign changes here. Minus A become plus B become minus A. So if you want to write again, half of A minus B is the answer. Now the same BM I can do in a different way. Instead of coming from B to M, I can go B to O, O to A to M. I'm going to show that. So another method of BM is, how I can do is, first I can go from B to O. So I put BO plus, then I can come from OA. So OA plus A to M, which is half of, A to B. So AM, which is half of A to B. Alright. So what is BO here? B and O, we are going opposite direction, which is minus B. O to A, forward direction, so plus A. A to M, again forward direction, half of A to B is, we know what is A to B, which is B minus A. Yeah, B minus A. So here half of B minus A. We are going to simplify here. How we can write? I'll write minus B plus A plus, I'm going to take half of plus B minus half of A. Why I put minus is because here it is minus, so minus half of A. Why I did this, you will understand if you see the next step. So from minus B, this is 1B, take away half B, then this become minus half B, because here this is 1B, this is half B. Same way, if you take from 1A, if you take away half A, that become plus half B, half A, sorry. Okay, so you can rewrite half plus A, here it is plus A, so half A, here it is minus B, so the answer is half A minus B. And you can see the same thing here, we got here half A minus B, here also half A minus B. So whether you use this method B to M when you come directly, or you can come B to M from B to O, O to A to M, both will give same answer. Okay. Now the third question, which is O to M, we are going to see. O to M. Okay, I will make it small, all these things. So O to M, I will paste the picture again. So again, to go to O to M, we can go from O to A to M. So we can go O to A and O to M. So OM equal to OA plus AM, which is half of AB. Yeah, which is half of AB. OA equal to, we know which is plus A. AM equal to half of AB is half of what is AB. We saw here AB equal to B minus A. So B minus A. Again we are going to simplify. For that we need to separate this. So A plus half B minus half A. So when you simplify, when you take away A, when you take away from A, if you take away minus half A, you will get A minus half A equal to half A, and we got half B plus half B. So plus half B, and we rewrite half A plus B.